The VICEASE 40Kpa Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner excels with its powerful suction, ensuring efficient cleaning across hardwood floors, tiles, and more. Weighing just 2.9 pounds, this lightweight vacuum allows for easy maneuverability, and its 8-in-1 design makes it versatile for various cleaning tasks. The integrated LED display provides a user-friendly experience by allowing you to monitor the vacuum status and adjust settings effortlessly. Equipped with an advanced green LED light and anti-tangle brush, it effectively lifts dirt and pet hair, ensuring no spot is missed during cleaning. The vacuum's 6-stage filtration system ensures that 99.97% of fine dust is captured, promoting cleaner air for families and pets. With a 24-month protection plan and round-the-clock customer service, the VICEASE vacuum offers peace of mind and reliable support.